All top performers are in the habit of talking good to themselves and believing in themselves, whether or not they're consciously doing it or not. Financially successful people have good financial self-talk and beliefs. All right, nugget time. In this nugget, I want to piggyback off of a nugget about self-talk I did a few weeks back. I was talking about adding the word yet at the end of a self-defeating thought and why that's so important. Your brain is always paying attention to what you think and what you say. If done often enough, it hardwires those thoughts to fire automatically for you. So it's important to program it the way you want things to go. One way you can program your brain is to use affirmations. Now, some of you may think this stuff's a little weird, but it works. So give it a try. Using affirmations is a simple way to reinforce or affirm something in your own brain. Instead of self-defeating talk, you come up with powerful, positive sayings that reinforce the things that you want to happen in your life. You can get really creative with this stuff too and apply it to just about anything. Now, as you may know, I like to look at goals in 4 different areas or buckets. They are happiness, health, wisdom, and wealth. So to give you a specific example of the way I've used affirmations, I'm going to share with you one that I've used for years and years. When I knew I wanted to be successful in all 4 of those areas I just mentioned, I came up with this affirmation. I am so grateful that an abundance of happiness, health, wisdom, and wealth are flowing into my life. That is the exact affirmation that I used over and over for years. I would say it to myself all the time. In order to remember to keep using that affirmation, I printed hundreds of little cards that had the quote on them, and I laminated them, just like this one right here I found in my desk. I'd put them in my pocket. I'd tape them to the dash of my car. I'd have them sitting on my desk. I'd have them all over the place. When I saw them, I would read them. So to wrap up this nugget, I'm going to give you a few examples of affirmations that you may want to use or modify for yourself. I am a money magnet. I love that one. I am the top salesperson in our organization. I am disciplined. I am smart. I am a student. I love to learn and read. I am rich. I absorb and retain vast amounts of knowledge. Money flows to me like a tidal wave. I love that one too. People love doing business with me. I am generous. All top performers are in the habit of talking good to themselves and believing in themselves, whether or not they're consciously doing it or not. Financially successful people have good financial self-talk and beliefs. So choose to supercharge and hardwire successful thoughts into your brain by coming up with some positive affirmations of your own. Now go get a little bit better and have a great week.